Oh, we're breaking below these lows. Nice. Could we take an impulse sell here? I think I think we should be able to. We should be able to, as we're breaking below these areas, we should continue to push down. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna put a sell right here. For the price to continue to push down. This will be an aggressive sell because we have already pushed down quite a bit, and I think we can grab some more. Yep. So we're breaking below the lows. I think this pushed right here. We have about seven pips. All right, 10 pips closed. Boom. W trade. Perfect, man. This was perfect. I was in the trade for, let's see, opening time. I was in the trade for 36 seconds. And then there's wicks on the left hand side, so we'll be rejecting those. And I think this was perfection. This was perfection. So I end up making about 10 pips, $106. Good day. Let's get out of here. So because there's more volume, I was able to go into a lower time frame and execute a sell there. But we could have also taken a sell as the price was breaking below, and that would have been another good entry. See, now it's coming up, but we're already out of the trade. I think it was executed really well. Just quick, knew what was going to happen, knew the stop loss, exit, exit was proper, just not waiting for the candle to come back up. Yeah. I don't know why this says it was scheduled. Ain't nothing scheduled. I did this stream. I was streaming for 35 minutes up until I realized it says we're scheduled. We're not even live streaming. So I'm not sure what this is all about, but there is no scheduled stream. Yeah, you see upcoming. We can actually I'll take care of it later. So yesterday's stream, this is it. 2 views coming up in the world. Non-farm payroll. So these videos, these shorter videos, I'm able to get more traction. And that's okay because live streams were meant to trade live, talk about live ideas and execute them, and obtain small reels from the live streaming. Just because it's unfill the wick to continue to push up. We could have a buy on the flip of this candle. We could have a buy and anticipate the price to continue to push up and fill the wick. I don't think I need to buy 1,000 lots of this. Okay. So I am in a buy on gold, anticipating for price to continue to push up and fill this wick. Let's see, positions. We're currently about 6-7 pips in profit, and it's gonna be a quick trade. I think I'm gonna close. It's Monday. So I'm viewing my yesterday's trade where I didn't know how exactly to close partials and manage risk. I ended up closing full of my full position and also entering into a sell. So I not only closed all of my position and then also entered in an opposite direction, which and also ended up in a loss. So closed at 10 to 15 pips because on Mondays I like to be more aggressive just because it's the beginning of the week. I want to get ahead. I don't want the price to come back and hit my stop loss. So I'm also going to open the trade manager on the left hand side. The reason being is that if it continues to break below, then I'm going to close about 50%. Alright, you see here, I closed full position and entered into a sell. Wait. Bro, did I actually put a sell here? I thought we were closing 50% of the buy. I look so lost, man. I look so lost. No. I'm gonna have my buy open one more time. This is so dumb. Oh Lord. Yeah, I messed up. I thought I was closing 50% on my position, but then I ended up closing full for some reason and entered a sell position. That's a Monday. That's a Monday mistake. we should be able to continue to push up. So that's yeah. Overall on gold, I think we still have time where we can continue to push below. That might still happen. So I am in a buy on gold, anticipating for price to continue to push up and fill this wick. Let's see, position. This. So I am in a buy on gold, anticipating for price to continue to push up and fill this wick. Let's see. So I'm also going to open B 50%. The reason being is that if it continues on the left hand side, the reason being trade manager on the left hand side. The reason being is that if it continues to break below, then I'm going to close about 50%. Wait, bruh, did I actually put a sell here? Open the trade manager on the left hand side. The reason being is that if it continues to break below on the left hand side, the trade manager on the left hand side. The reason being is that if it continues to break below, then I'm going to close about 50 is the trade manager to open the trade manager. 50%. Wait, bro, did I actually put a sell here? I thought we were closing 50% of the buy. Leave size intact. Leave size and buy. Leave. I'm gonna. I'm gonna have my buy open one more time. This is so. This is so dumb. Oh lord. Yeah, I messed up. I thought I was closing 50% of my position, but then I end up closing full for some reason and entered a sell position. That's someone. That's a Monday mistake. This was. Yeah, now I think there should be a push. I'm anticipating a push. Why does it? Alright, this is the push that I was talking about. Change direction to sell. No. Buy. Leave size intact. 50. Close. Oh, okay, okay. So basically, I see. This is minute time frame. This is the 15, 12 pips, 12, 13 pips. If it close, oh, no, it didn't come up. I'm gonna close this position right here at $150 in profit. So I'm gonna close this position right here at $150 in profit. I'm anticipating a push. Yeah, now I think there should be a push. Yeah, now. Yeah, now I think there should be a push. I'm anticipating a push. This is the push. Alright, this is the push that I was talking about. Alright, this is the push that I was talking about. Alright, I think we are done for the day. Yeah, just one gold sells, perfectly executed. Um, don't need to overtrade, don't need to give market what we have earned. Because a lot of times what happens is that traders, you and I, will enter a trade, we'll win it, and then we'll go on and try to take more trades. We'll try to force more trades. If there's a setup that makes sense, but even if, we could say, oh, everything is a setup, I see a setup. No, just try to have your rules. Make sure that you're taking 1, 2 trades. Like this one, I mean, I could wait for this candle to form some sort of resistance and continue to push down. That would be a proper setup, but I've already taken a trade. I've already won the trade. I mean, there's no reason for me to sit here and look at charts and try to force a trade. So I'm gonna come back and see you guys tomorrow. Take care.